Welcome to 126 Spain Circle in Harriman, Tennessee. Just wait until you see the inside, but first I want you to see what this 0.6 acre looks like. So starting at the corner of this fence and going over to the corner of that post. We're at that post now. Come in about 3 feet, go down the tree line, and it's about 3 feet in from that fence back over to that corner right there. Now, these are approximates land here. Use the property tax records to verify, but this gives you a really close idea of how much land there is here. And then going down here, it will go even beyond where the grass is being mowed there. And now a view from the back of the house. And again, almost all of this land is usable. It goes a little bit beyond those bushes. Coming in from the front door, living room, 3 bedrooms and a bath. We'll see that in just a moment. Everything has been completely renovated. New floors, new cabinets, new appliances, dining area. That door goes to the backyard. Utility sink in the laundry. Luxury vinyl plank here. And then carpet in the 3 bedrooms. Even new windows. Full bath. Each bedroom does have a closet. This is the larger of the 3 and faces the front. Now hang on, there's one more bonus area I want to take you to. Coming in from the backyard, this is one of the most usable and clean tall crawl spaces. You could use this as a workshop if you wanted to, but certainly great storage. Thank you all so much for watching. If you would like a private showing, please give me a call if you don't already have a buyer agent. Thanks.